Okay, so today we are going to make homemade snow, and all you will need is 3 cups baking soda, a half a cup of white conditioner, and a bowl so that you can mix it in. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we have had such a crappy winter this winter, and Finn has loved being outside in the snow when it has snowed, and we just haven't had enough of it, so I decided to make a snow sensory bin today, hoping that he will love it just as much as the real stuff. I'm gonna just put in some different stuff in here. Some stuff that you can make like moldings out of with the snow. This sensory bin works on fine motor skills, it helps with their sensory exploration, and it also works on their creative and imaginative play. Okay, so I feel like this one was a big success. Finn had a lot of fun scooping up the snow and pouring it into the bucket and making little fish molds. So thanks for watching. I hope your little ones enjoy this one if you haven't had a lot of snow like we haven't this year. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any comments or questions, just comment down below. Ooh.